We are Motion, a name built on experience, powered by expertise and trusted by industry to keep Australia moving. From mining to manufacturing, agriculture to aquaculture, transport to energy, Motion has built a reputation for keeping industries productive, efficient and safe. Because when equipment runs better, everything else follows. Chances are you already know us. With over 100 branches and 1,400 people across Australia, Motion consistently delivers on the ground support wherever you are, whatever your challenge. Motion is more than a supplier. We are your trusted partner. Supported by a national network and local experts, we deliver industry-leading solutions whenever and wherever you need them. Industrial Solutions keeps machines and production lines moving with bearings, power transmissions, tools and consumables. Fluid Power Solutions delivers critical support in hydraulics, filtration, industrial hoses and connectors, and gets parts where they're needed fast. Engineering and Services handles machine overhauls, equipment refurbishments, electro-hydraulic and electromechanical projects including complex turnkey solutions, providing increased performance, efficiency and safety. Australian industries demand more, and Motion delivers. We combine local expertise with national reach and access to over 700,000 critical parts across our extensive distribution and service footprint. From the Riverina to the Pilbara, Motion connects parts, people and problem solving under one roof. A name powered by expertise and trusted by industry to keep Australia moving. Industrial, fluid, engineering. This is Motion.